Farmer John, Sustainable Seed Company. I am showing you a pallet planter. Now this is kind of an experiment on my part. I know some people have done these. There are a million different versions of this, but at Sustainable Seed Company we have a lot of leftover pallets. We always like to recycle things. And this is a great way to do some vertical gardening. Now here you can see I have strawberries planted. This allows me 36 strawberries in a vertical space, which is just amazing. Now these were just planted yesterday. They've got some growing to do, but on the opposite side, I went ahead and planted them a little differently just to see which are going to do better. These aren't quite as dense, but this is what is called a pallet planter. And literally what I've done is take ground cloth and run it on the inside and the outside. I don't know if you could see this from the back or not. And I've created a pocket that there is dirt inside. And of course, way more than dirt. There's fertilizer and all sorts of wonderful things. But this creates a space to do vertical gardening. Now, these top spaces, I'm actually going to plant some peppers or maybe some peas to drape down, or cucumbers. I haven't decided yet. I just got this set up yesterday. Really kind of want to look at it and see how it's going to work. I'm a little concerned that water's not going to get all the way to the bottom down here, so I might put some irrigation on this. Anyway, like I said, I'm trying to just play with this. If this one goes okay in the next few days, I will start to set up a lot more. If you guys are interested, then I can certainly do little videos of how I'm putting these together. Pallets are usually free, or they're $2 or $3 at the recycling center. And once that greens up, it's going to be beautiful. You're not going to see a lot of that pallet. Now, in the corner here, I've actually planted some lobelia just for fun. Now that's a beautiful little purple flower. It's going to trail down the side. Helps cover up the pallet. Again, this is out in the side yard, and I've got a tarp set up because I'm going to do a lot more out here. I wanted to kill the grass back a little bit, and I'm planning on setting up maybe 6, maybe more, and just trying different vegetables and fruits and see how they do. It's great for those that have limited space, or in this case here at this property, there is red volcanic soil. It's really hard to plant in the ground. It gets really hard. The soil's not very good. And this is an excellent way to grow quite a bit of food on something that's totally recycled and totally renewable. So anyway, enjoy life and enjoy gardening. Until next time.